Notion have just launched a developer platform letting teams connect AI agents and external resources together, custom code directly into the Notion workspace.
Cmd+AI.
So much of my company runs on Notion. It's not the most ideal, but it's super bloody flexible, and I can plug into it and I have integrations and this and that. It's very flexible. So what Notion have done, you can basically set up, this can go away now. You can basically set up integrations. I think that's what it is. Integrations with all of these softwares, and they work directly with the database. Maybe we can show you that. The databases that you have set up. So they've even just got a little dashboard here that can just link everything up, pull data down. There's a Stripe integration here somewhere. The agent orchestration is really nice as well, so you can set up all of these different providers to actually do the work itself. You can schedule them. It's quite, I mean, you know, I'd have to dig in a lot more to properly understand it, but they call these things workers as well, which again just go off and do stuff such as pull Stripe data, or you know, and then sync it to the database. So really nice, because there's a lot of complaints about Notion neglecting their developer audience. They used to be very developer friendly, and now they kind of went down the, you know, conglomerate route, but now they've kind of pulled it back a little bit, starting to support it with the CLI, with agents and stuff like that. And it looks really interesting. My only issue is, you know, because they're so late to this game of, you know, setting up, allowing you to set up agents and stuff, people have already found other ways to do it. Like I've got loads of NAN workflows that just read from my database, push into my database, like obviously Claude connectors, you know, connects into Notion and stuff like that. There's no like, I feel like it's a little too late for Notion here. I'm welcome to be proven wrong and shown that actually there's some really unique use cases that you can only achieve in the Notion agent workspace hub, whatever you want to call it. Most of this stuff seems to be able to be achieved elsewhere. I quite like the CLI. I think that's quite a nice thing. If we try and find that, you can like set up agents from basically your local machine, as far as I see, and then, you know, manipulate data, create workers even from the CLI and stuff like that. This is quite nice, but the other stuff, synchronizing data, I don't know. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.